Everybody watch the pixels blend.
Next workflow we are looking into is the compositing, and this can be also done in many ways, but for example here we are using an editor for this. This is another custom node that is Enrico's node in this case. It brings you this editor over here. And in this example, I'm just using an image that I have generated and I want to apply a logo and my credentials to it. So running this should give you an image like you see here. And now you are free to just drag and drop and edit what you want to do with the element that you composed into this workflow over here. So if you are happy with the layout that you done over here in the editor, you then just save this image with the continue button. And now the image contains the logo and the credentials. And if you prefer to automate this, then you are free to load the next workflow. This is basically also compositing, but in this case, this is done with simple math. So the position for the composited elements onto the input image are basically calculated and automated in this case. And running this workflow should give you an output like you see here. Exploring this workflow to customize it to your needs will include that you have to open some nodes like you see here, for example, and then you see the math formula behind it. In this case, this is a function that evaluates a certain value for the compositing, and changing something over here will help you understand what and how this is done. So happy compositing with this workflow.
GPU.